Want to make your tutorial videos look smarter and more professional? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how using keyboard shortcuts and this kind of visualization can completely transform the way you create tutorials. It's a simple technique, but it makes your videos look cleaner, easier to follow, and far more professional, all without any editing. Visualizing keyboard shortcuts isn't just about aesthetics. It makes your tutorials faster to follow and easier to understand. When viewers can see exactly what you're pressing in real time, it removes guesswork, reduces confusion, and creates a smoother learning experience. Whether you're teaching, coding, or demonstrating software, shortcut visualization brings clarity and professionalism to your content. Here's what. Focusy offers auto-detects and records keyboard shortcuts during screen capture. Instantly overlays shortcut hints with clean visuals. Post-recording options. Edit, style, or delete shortcut displays. Installation.
To use Focusy, you need to install it. First, click on the download link given in the description. Then click on Download button. Wait until the download completes. Once downloaded, follow the installation process. Now, Focusy is ready to use.
Steps. Start by opening Focusy. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Now select the recording mode that suits your need. You'll notice some tools on the screen, like the camera option. If you want to include your face in the video, just turn it on. I'm turning it off for now. Next, adjust your microphone and speaker settings to ensure clear audio. Once everything is set, begin your recording by clicking on the Rec button. Your screen recording has now started. I'm going to create a tutorial for After Effects, so I'll open the software and start editing the video using some keyboard shortcuts. Let me enjoy the editing for a bit. After you've finished, click on the Stop button. You'll then see a simple interface where everything is already taken care of. The keyboard shortcuts appear automatically on screen and look very professional, thanks to features like cursor tracking and advanced zooming. To customize the keyboard shortcuts, click on the Edit option. You'll see 3 style choices. Pick the one you like best. You can also adjust the size and change its position as per your preference. Apart from that, you can personalize the cursor style. There are plenty of options available. Just choose what fits your theme. With the animation settings, you can control motion blur, movement speed, and more for an even better presentation. Once you're fully satisfied with your video, click on Export. Wait a few moments, and your polished video will be saved, ready to impress your viewers. Key benefits of Focusy. Watching the features of Focusy, you'll notice some powerful advantages. Save time compared to manual annotation. Polished and professional results without extra effort. Compared to tools like OBS or Camtasia, no plugins required. Clean, intuitive interface, faster, streamlined workflow. Try Focusy today to level up your tutorial creation. Link is in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more content creation tools with us.